Okay, Dean!
Dean!
Yes, Dean. Dean's just called in. We've never met before. And you're from Leek?
I'm from Leek.
Yeah. So you probably know Dave Hewlett, do you?
Who?
Dave Hewlett.
I don't think I do know. King Song. I don't really get out and play occasionally, so.
What's Doug doing for you? Doug, shut the fuck up!
Doug! It's just a cheap guitar, this one. He's done a bit of work on quite a few guitars, but that's just a cheap one. But he's just kind of sorting it out.
Yeah.
Like the pickup and the frets, just getting them nice and smooth.
I take it, I mean, you are probably a professional musician?
Not at all, mate.
Not at all?
No, not at all.
You look the part.
I just dabble.
Oh, right, okay, yeah. So are you playing in a band or anything?
No, I'm doing nothing.
Oh.
I'm just going through what guitars I've got and Doug's sorting them out for me.
Okay, so. Yeah. Right, yeah. Let's see what he's doing, eh? Doug! What are you doing for Dean then with the guitar?
I've set it up, I've done the frets, cut the nut properly, set the intonation, set the tremolo system, repaired the electronics.
Is there a pickup missing there, or...?
No, it's an illusion.
Yeah. Where's the other pickup?
I took it out. I just took it out.
It was unnecessary to his development in the rock school of playing.
You've obviously been here before.
Sorry?
You've obviously been here before.
I have, yeah.
Many times.
Recently, yes.
Okay, yeah.
Historically, yeah. I remember he did a guitar for me many years ago when I was a lot younger. He sorted a guitar out for me, so he refretted the Les Paul.
Okay, yeah. You're very noisy, Doug.
So I've known him for a very long time. Doug, believe it or not, he might not realise that, but
He won't. He doesn't care, Doug. Doug remembers nothing.
Want to have a try of that, Dean?
I can do, mate, yeah.
Oh, that was best you do, it's your guitar now.
Oh, yeah.
Back to yours.
Yeah.
Action very low, actually have to request it.
So, Doug, what did you do to the guitar again?
I leveled the frets for a start. The frets were all over the place.
And?
Like an Indian railway.
Indian Railway?
Made it play like a rock guitar.
Oh, yeah. So, listen. Gene! What do you think?
Well, it's fine, but the amp's not very good, is it, though?